Good morning, dear students and parents. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am Anju Bhatt and welcome you all in online teaching program by RD Group of Schools. Okay, today we are going to start our block 3 lesson plan 3. And what is our today's topic? More questions. Before going to start, I would like to request all the parents to gather all the resources. And what are the resources? A bottle. It should be empty. A bottle. Like this, I have a bottle. Any of the bottle you can take. Notebook and workbook you would have with you. And our agenda is questioning, activity, discussion, workbook, and then homework. Yes, student. Do you have pencil? Yes. You all are having pencils. Might be all students' answer must be yes. Okay. Do you all have a magic pencil? No, must be you are not having that pencil. So today we are going to ask. The question of yes no questions. We are going to learn about these questions, how to ask yes no questions. So what is our aim today? Our aim is to ask yes no questions starting with does and do. Today we are going to learn about the yes no questions, and these questions are starting with does and do. Means we are going to learn about how to form a question. Questions कैसे बनाते हैं? कौन से वाले question? Yes no वाले question, and these questions are starting with does and do. So this is our aim today. And what are the keywords? Then do and does. These are the keywords. Let's start now. Action part. What will we do in the action? Yes. Today we are going to learn about these questions only, how to form the questions. Okay, now look at this picture. Yes. Who is there in this picture? Yes. What does Ben has in his hand? What does Ben have in his hand? What does you see outside his house? Does Ben look happy? Do you see his father in this picture? Yes, I asked who is in this picture. Yes, Ben is there, and Ben is there in this picture with, and who else is there? Ben. Ben is with Snowman, and his dog is also there. Yes. Yes, what do you see outside his house? Right, a red car is there, Christmas tree, some part of Christmas tree you can see there, and a big house is there. Okay, does Ben look happy? Yes, in this picture he is looking very happy. Okay, do you see his father here in this picture? No, his father is not here. Yes, student, do you have a toy car? Yes, might be most of students are having the car. Okay, if I want to ask the same question about your friend, so how will I ask this question? Yes, think about it. Right, I will ask, does she have a car? Yes, like this. Does she have a car? Okay. When should I use he and when should I use she? We will talk about this also. Yes, student, when should we use he? We are using he for a person who is a boy, for boys. We are using he. For girls, we are using she. Suppose if girl is one girl, I am asking a question to a girl. Does she have a baby doll? If I am going to ask this question to a girl, so what will I ask? Does she have a baby doll? Like this. Does she have a baby doll? Means for female, for feminine gender we are using she, and for masculine gender we are using he. As we are using now, we have done also this in the grammar, like boy, girl, in that also. So we are using he for boys and she for girls. Yes, student, what we are going to do now, we are going to play a game, and it is very interesting game. And for this game, you need at least two participants, one your parent, both of your parents, and it could be your brother or sister also. So at least I think so three candidates must be there, and you will use an empty bottle for it. What will you do? You will sit in a circle with them, and then you will spin the bottle. You will spin the bottle, and then after this, it is your turn. Who's Yes, when it stops spinning and towards the bottle side, bottle mouth side is there, bottle cap side is there, the person will ask two questions from the other person. Means, suppose the bottle's mouth is my side. Yes. When it stops spinning, the facing side of the bottle, that person will ask two questions from the other person, and one question must be about Ben, and the next question, the second one question, he can ask about that candidate, that person to whom he is asking. Suppose one question like, does Ben look happy? You can ask like this question. And second question, okay, do you have a toy car? Like this you can ask the questions. Let's start the game now. Yes, it is her turn because the bottle's face is her side.
Do you know where Ben lives?
Yes, Ben lives in England.
Do you have a friend?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Simu. Yes, it's my turn now because the bottle's face is my side. Okay. Does Ben like to play with dog?
Yes, Ben like to play with his dog.
Okay. Okay. Does your friend's handwriting is good?
Yes, my old friend's handwriting is good.
Okay, does she write neatly?
Whom you are talking about?
Yes, I'm talking about your friend.
Yes, she write very neatly.
Yes, it's my turn. Okay. Do you like chocolates?
Yeah, I really love eating chocolates.
Okay. Does Ben's father is at home?
No, but he comes back later.
Yes. Yes, student. So, have you seen the activity? This how you will conduct your activity. Okay, now it's time for the analysis part. I'm going to ask some questions about the activity. Yes, student, now it is time for the analysis part. I'm going to ask some questions which are based on the activity only. Okay, my first question is, what questions did you ask? Okay. And what answer did you get? And if anything was common in those questions. Now have a look on these questions. Yes. Do you go to the park? No, I don't go. Do they like to draw? Yes, they all like to draw. Does she have a dog? No, she doesn't have a dog. Do you like chocolates? Yes, I like chocolates. Does she write neatly? No, she doesn't write neatly. Okay. Have you noticed anything is common in these questions? Yes. All these questions are starting with do or does, as I have underlined them. And all the answers are starting with no or yes. So all answers are yes, no answers. And all the questions are starting with do or does. So this how we are forming the yes, no questions. Okay student, my next question is, listen it very carefully, and parents please pause the video where you get chance to give chance to your one to give the answer. Okay, how are the answers of WH questions? How are the answer of WH questions different from the answers of the questions do you or does she or he? Yes, you have to find out the difference between these two questions. Means the question which are starting with WH family words the answer of those questions and the answer of the questions which are starting with do or does. What is the difference between their answers? Yes, think about it. Yes, right. The answers of the question which starting with do or does are the answers which are these are starting with yes no answers. Yes, right. WH questions have different answers for different WH words. For example, like the answer to a who question, WHO who question, is always a person, and the answer to a where question is always a place, and the question for when always denoting about time, and why it is denoting the reason. Means the question which are starting with WH family, we are giving their complete answer, and all the questions have their own answers. Like the question which is starting with who, WH, we are using who question when we are talking about any person. Like, who is your father? Yes, my father name is Mr. Ram. Yes, and do Dutch questions are always answered with yes or no. Yes, so now it is time for higher order thinking question. Is a question also a sentence? Yes, think about it. Is a question also a sentence? क्या जो क्वेश्चन होता है वो भी सेंटेंस होता है? राइट. All questions are sentences. How all the questions ends with a question mark, but the simple sentences ends with a full stop. So they also sound different. Our voice goes up at the end of a question. For example, if I'm going to ask a question, do you like chocolates? Yes, in this question, when I'm asking this question, my voice goes upside, means voice modulation change while we are going to ask the questions. Like जैसे हम कभी भी कोई क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, जैसे सिंपली हम बात करते हैं कोई सिंपल सेंटेंस का, तब हम नॉर्मली बात करें. जैसे मैंने बोला कि मैं पढ़ती हूँ, बट वेन एवर आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन, डू यू लाइक टू रीड, तो यहाँ जो मेरी वॉइस है वो ऊपर हो जाती है एकदम से. डू यू लाइक टू रीड, एंड माई फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन ऑल्सो changed. Yes, student, now it is time for application. What will you do? You will do S3, page number 23 in your workbook, and your workbook must be completed within 10 minutes.
Yes, now open your workbook, page number 23, S3, more questions. Look at first question. Match the questions with their answers. One side questions are given and one side answers are given. And you know very well the questions which starts with do or does, they always have their answer with yes no. They always have their answer yes no. And the question which starts with WH family words, they have their different answers. Like in question A, when do you go to the beach, then you will give the answer yes. Find out the answer from the options. In these answers A, B, C, D, E. Yes, what would be the answer? Yes, I go to the beach every Sunday. Yes, this will be the answer, and this how you will complete this question. Do they like to draw? So B option, जो B वाला question है, उसके लिए आंसर क्या होगा? Because it is starting with do, so it must be having its answer with yes no. Then next, what does he like to do? Does she have a dog? Do you like chocolates? Now on question number 2, write questions for the given answers. What will you do here? Here answers are given and you will form a question for it. यहाँ पर आंसर दिया हुआ है and you will make a question for this. आप इसके लिए क्वेश्चन फॉर्म करेंगे. Like, yes, I have a younger brother. So what question should be here? क्या क्वेश्चन हो सकता है? Because the answer is starting with yes, so question must be starting with do or does. Then B option, no, I don't know how to swim. This answer is also starting with no, so question will start with do or does. Now on question number 3, look at the picture and write 2 questions about it. Look at this picture and then you will form 2 questions about this picture.
Yes, student, now let's move for the homework part. What will you do in your today's homework? You will interview any one of your family member. Do you know the meaning of interview? Have you ever seen an interview on the televisions also? Okay, कोई भी टीवी स्टार होता है तो उसका इंटरव्यू आता है ना. We are asking questions about the person only. हम उनसे उन्हीं के बारे में questions पूछते हैं. That is called interview. So what will we do? You will do ask them question about the things they like. अपने किसी भी फैमिली मेंबर से आप 3-4 questions पूछेंगे. What they like. About their likings, you will ask the questions and you will note down them in your notebook. Yes, student. At summarization part. Yes, what have we learned today? We have learned about to form the questions about the questions which are starting with do or does. The question whenever starts with do or does, we are answering them always in yes no answers. Yes, students, I hope you have enjoyed my class. Okay, now be ready for the next class also and the resources for the next class. The letter cards we used in block 2, lesson plan 2, the blends. In that LP we used those letter cards, we will use them again. So, letter cards, content book, notebook and workbook will be the resources for the next class. So, be ready for the next class also. Thank you. Have a nice day.